Another home, another tour. Welcome back to #MJDC Recommends! Today, lot for sale naman tayo. Excited ka na ba sa next investment mo? Well, we got you. Here's the top 5 reasons why Alexandra Heights, Bulacan is your perfect lot choice.
Reason number 1, your house, your rules. Imagine this, a home that's 100% you. Gusto mo ba ng modern minimalist? O baka naman industrial style? Dito sa Alexandra Heights, malaking design ang dream home mo. From drawing to reality.
Reason number 2, Tagaytay feels. May overlooking, mahangin, at perfect for relaxation. Goodbye city pollution, hello fresh air. Kung ang hanap mo ay peaceful, refreshing, at Tagaytay vibes na community, this is the place to be.
Reason number 3, island trees everywhere. Imagine living in a resort-style community. Dito sa Alexandra Heights, hindi lang bahay ang may pwesto. Kalikasan din. Ang developer mismo naglaan ng dedicated lots para sa mga puno't halaman. Aesthetic na, nature-friendly pa. Para ka na sa exclusive resort.
Reason number 4, complete amenities. Meron ng playground, garden, clubhouse, basketball court at swimming pool. Hindi mo na kailangang lumayo para mag-enjoy. Nasa community mo na ang lahat ng kailangan mo. Safe, secure, and designed for modern living. Ready ka na bang mag-level up ng lifestyle mo?
Reason number 5, super easy reservation process. Gusto mo bang mag-invest sa future mo? Pero iniisip mo, hassle kaya magpa-reserve? Worry no more! Dito sa Alexandra Heights, sobrang dali lang in just 3 easy steps.
Step number 1, talk to an accredited salesperson. Huwag kang mahihiyang magtanong. We're here to guide you and answer all your questions. Zero pressure, just expert advice.
Step number 2, schedule a site viewing. See it for yourself. Mas masarap bumili ng property kapag ramdam mo ang vibes ng future home mo.
Step number 3, submit requirements and reserve. Simple lang ang mga kailangan na documents. After submission, congrats! May property ka na sa isang prime and exclusive community.
Available ito through in-house at bank financing. Merong flexible options para mas pasok sa budget mo. At ito pa, may discount tayo for spot payment. Kaya wag na magpahuli pa. Your dream lot is waiting for you dito sa Alexandra Heights.
This is Camille Peña Reyes.
Grant Joseph R. Sorbito.
Kristen Lera,
EJ Reyes.
the best time to invest is now. Reserve today and start turning your dreams into reality.